Today we're making an easy and flavorful sausage and bean stew. In the pot we have 1 pound of dried white beans we've soaked overnight. These are great northern beans. You could use navy beans. You don't have to use white beans, whatever your favorite bean is. And we're going to add to them 8 cups of light broth and a good pinch of salt. And we're going to bring those to a simmer. I'm going to add to the pan some chopped onion and a good pinch of salt and cook that till it's nice and soft. And now some celery and some carrots, more seasoning, a good pinch of dried thyme, and of course more salt, very important. Always season as you go. And now some crushed and drained canned tomatoes. So these vegetables are soft and cooked down, very flavorful and very well seasoned. And we'll put them into the beans. Stir that in well. Looks pretty good already. And now for the star of the stew, the centerpiece ingredient, we have 1 pound of sausage. Now you can use any sausage, your favorite kind, Italian sausage, andouille, spicy, mild, in casings, not in casings, links, that's your choice. But I'm using kielbasa, a smoked sausage, because I like the smoky flavor. It's readily available. But again, whatever your favorite sausage, you can use that in this stew and it'll be just delicious. So we're just gonna cut this into roughly 1/2 inch wheels. And sausage is a terrific way to add flavor to a dish. So we're just browning these really quickly. You just want to get some good color, which is going to give you even more flavor. All right. Oh, that looks good. Actually, that's very good looking. So the beans are cooked, they're nice and tender, starting to get creamy. And now we're going to add in this beautiful browned off sausage. And we have some kale, a big bunch of kale that we blanched in salted water, let it cool, squeezed out the water, and then chopped it up. Now you're just going to simmer this together for about 10 minutes. You don't want to cook it for too long because you don't want to cook all the flavor out of the sausage, but it's going to give terrific flavor to these beans, and then the sausage will still have a lot of wonderful juicy flavor to it as well. There you have it, a fabulous stew that gets its easy flavor from sausage.